Okay, so I'm going to explain how I clean up the nail polish. So this is an acrylic brush that has never been used for acrylic, and this is pure acetone here. So I'm going to just dab the brush in acetone and then dab off the excess on the cotton pad, because I don't want to flood the area with the acetone. Wipe it and then wipe the brush off. Again, pick up the acetone, remove the excess, and very gently go around just to perfect it. And I wait for the nail polish to be dry to do this, because I find when the polish is still wet, it's very, very easy to mess it up. And with this, when it's dry, you can put a little bit more pressure, and one slight move is not going to ruin everything. So if I flood the skin with the nail polish, I try to wipe it off with the stick as much as I can, and then I let it dry. Sorry. I'll let it dry and then clean up the edges with acetone. And I treat the brush in between manicures with an oil, because the hairs, they tend to dry out and get like frizzy almost. So I'll show you in a second. So just work with the little point. Dump out the excess. Oops. So here's what I would do, just one drop. And just kind of rub it into the brush, wipe off the excess. And then I just twirl it so it sits nice like this.